Good evening, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Okay, in our last class, we complete the kingdom Protista and Monera. Okay, today we will start the kingdom Fungi. Okay, so kingdom Fungi, this is the basic of the kingdom Fungi. So, kingdom fungi are non-green. Non-green means chlorophylls are not present and the eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic organism means the nuclear membranes are present and well-defined nucleus are present. Okay, so fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means single cell structure and the multi means many. Okay, so example of the unicellular organism is yeast and the multicellular organisms is bread mold and the mushroom. Okay, so the mode of nutrition in fungi, the heterotype of the mode of nutrition. Heterotype means depend on other, means किसी और पे depend करते हैं food के लिए. The food is obtained either saprophytically or parasitically. Saprophytically means the food they obtain from the dead organic matter. मरी हुई सड़ी गली चीज़ों से फूड प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एंड द पैरासिटिकली मीन्स दे टेक फूड फ्रॉम द लिविंग टिश्यू ऑफ द अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. सैप्रोफिटिकली फ्रॉम डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड द पैरासिटिकली मीन्स लिविंग टिश्यू से अपना फूड ऑब्टेन करते हैं. ओके, so both type of the food are found in the kingdom fungi. Okay, and the cell wall consists of the tough complex sugar called chitin. इनकी cell wall tough complex sugar की बनी होती है, that is the chitin. Okay, in multicellular fungi are made up of slender tube-like public structure called hypha. Okay, so in singular. Okay, in multicellular fungi are made up of tube-like structure, just like this. Tube-like structure. This tube-like structure is known as hypha. If a structure is single and singular structure is present, then it is known the hypha. And the hypha is present many forms. It means plural. That is the mycelium. Means many. Many branches are found in the one fungi. Then it is known the mycelium. ठीक है, and the one only one tube-like structure is present, then it is known the hypha. Okay, one structure present है, that is known the hypha. और बहुत ज़्यादा structure present है, that is known the mycelium. Okay, so some examples of fungi are yeast, rhizopus, mushroom, okay, penicillium and asparagus. Okay, so this is the basic of the kingdom fungi. Now one by one. Okay, so first is the yeast. Yeast are the single cell organism. Okay, single cell organism. Single मतलब एक one cells are present in this structure. Their name is Saccharomyces. इसका जो साइंटिफिक नेम है that is Saccharomyces, means sugar fungi. It means sugar fungi. They are commonly found wherever sugar occurs. जहाँ पर भी शुगर प्रेजेंट होती है ये वहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. For thousands of years, yeast has been used to ferment the sugar in rice and barley to produce beer. Okay, शुगर के अंदर बार्ली के अंदर ये बियर प्रोड्यूस करने का काम करते हैं. सो यीस्ट एडेड टू डो फर्मेंटेशंस एंड द शुगर इन डो टू प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करने का काम भी करते हैं. सो दिस मेक द डो राइज से. ओके, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ यीस्ट. इज द सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट्स नेम इज Saccharomyces. सेकेंड वन इज द पेनिसिलियम. This one. This is the penicillium. Commonly name is mold. Okay. So penicillium notatum produce a substances which can destroy bacteria. ओके, सो ये बैक्टीरिया डिस्ट्रॉय करने का काम भी करते हैं. द सब्सटेंसेस कॉल्ड पेनिसिलिन. Substances are present in this fungi, that is the penicillin. It is antibiotic, okay, that is used to fight disease caused by bacteria. बैक्टीरिया से होने वाली डिजीज से फाइट करने का काम करती है पेनिसिलिन substances. Okay, these are the example of some and fungi, okay, that is yeast, rhizopus, mushroom, penicillium and asparagus. Okay, in our next class we will study about this structure in detail. Okay, so goodbye students, take care. Okay.